Hey, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be making turkey meatballs in tomato sauce. To make the meatballs you need to bind all of them. So these are the spices: salt, sage, garlic, onions, and breadcrumbs. So all that you need to bind them together and mix it up. Use the hands. As you can see now, this is now really ready to start shaping the meatballs. Okay, I'll come back and get a tray and shape it. Okay, it's time to start shaping these. Try and make them as so. 2, 4 there. Just carry on shaping them. It's a bit big. So I made about 20, is it 28? And you can see it here, so 28 meatballs, which is nice and lovely. Just spraying some oil on. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes, turning once. The turkey meatballs are ready. Now it's time to make the sauce. Fry onions and add the spices. Add bay leaf, tomato sauce or chopped tomatoes, two cups of water, mix well, add chicken stock, bring to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Add the turkey meatballs and simmer for 15 minutes. The turkey meatballs are ready. Enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.